How to use the if function in formula attributes in Attio. Your reps shouldn't have to interpret numbers. Formula with if turns them into labels. Let's create a new one. Create a new attribute with the formula type, this one, and let's give it the name, let's say, priority. And let's create a new formula for this. We start with the if function. It works like if the criteria are met based on the condition, it returns a true value. If it's not met, it returns a false value. So click on if. In order to put variable from your Attio workspace, open your bracket squares and put the deal value exceeds, let's say, 50K, and then it will be high touch. Otherwise, it's a standard output text. Click on Save, Create Attribute, and it's calculating. Now you will be able to see the deals with a high priority without doing manual filling or something like that. We're Craftt. We help teams turn Attio into something they actually use. Want hands-on help? Book a free Attio audit, link below.